after my letter to the Honorable Finance Minister, Nirmala Sitharaman, explaining the difficulties which were being caused for this Aadhar and PAN linking and several problems which were being faced in Goa. And also after I highlighted that the portal was down, that linking was not possible and the servers were failing. Soon in the afternoon today, we got a message that the Union government has decided to extend the time limit for linking of PAN card and Aadhar to 30th June 2023, and I think this is a very great step. It's a very sad thing actually to see that while we talk about digital economy and we're talking about 21st century, our country is being pushed into standing in queue. Whether we are standing in queue for withdrawing money, demonetization time, whether we are made to stand in queue at any place, instead of digital age, you talk about digital age, but unfortunately it's happening that we are just every citizen across the nation is being made to stand in queue, and the poor people are being neglected and the poor people are being made to suffer. The common citizen doesn't seem to be getting any relief from the central or the state government, which is very, very sad. Even this linking of PAN and Aadhar by charging a fee of 1,000 rupees is really exorbitant. आमचे एक आधार लिंकिंग चालू आसलें तेन्ना आल्दोना पॅरीस सेंटरान तेन्ना एक बायल आयली म्हाका सांगपा, बाबा आमगे 4 जाण आहात घरान, म्हणून 4,000 फारीक करून पडटले. This is very cruel. It's really expensive for people who can't afford 1,000. You're making them pay 4,000 just because the bank has forced them to make a PAN card, and now they have a PAN card, and so therefore you have to link with the Aadhar card. So I think the government of India must look at it and exempt even people who are not in the taxable limit from compulsory linking the PAN card and Aadhar card.